Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Odette. I'm in my she shed. It's my happy place. That's what I like to do, and I do a lot of my little projects. So I've been doing a lot of videos recently about light fittings. I have a very specific taste in light fittings. Blame Pinterest, because I tend to see a lot of the beautiful light fittings in America that we don't have here. So I'm reusing, upcycling whatever I have to try to achieve the look. So I have this small light fitting. This actually came from Queensby basement recently. It's beautiful. No one wanted it. It was destined to the skip, and Mr. B very cleverly saved it. We have quite a few fittings that came from Queensby house that we'll be using them around the house. So today I'm going to be using this one. I already started to take the panels, the glass panels, and the reason is these have been in the basement for many years, so I'm going to give them a good wash and give a good clean to this and paint this, and then I will be installing the glass panels back on again. Is for office. It's quite a small space, more like a white corridor space. So this is going to be the ceiling light fitting for there. If you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen I have done some of these before, where it can be quite expensive buying these bits in black. So I use multi-purpose paint, spray paint. I have used them in quite a few of our fittings, and they have worked well, so I will be doing the same thing today.